Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. If you are searching for the room dividers ideas, then you are at the right place. First of all, I would like to welcome you on my channel Home Interiors. Welcome to everyone. If you are new at my channel, so please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. In this video you are watching and I am showing you the amazing ideas of room dividers. Room dividers, why we use it? Room dividers instantly make something out of nothing, turning single use rooms into double space with separation and privacy. They can even create the illusion that a room has more square footage. Some room dividers can be built with such substances and suddenness that they serve nearly the same function as interior partition walls, but it's more typical to scale down the divider because when you are doing it yourself, who want to make these things complicated? For die room dividers, put your carpentry and drive skills on the back burner. Instead, think along the lines of simple tools and easy to handle materials. For tools, staple guns, hot glue, hammer and finished nails tend to be the norm. For materials, almost anything is fair game. Rope, license plates, plastic pipe, chicken wire, repurposed IKEA door, pallet wood, vinyl records and metal, or just about anything else you can dream up. In this video, I am showing you the amazing designs of room dividers. So if you are interested, please watch this video complete. Please share this video with your friends, family, fellows and anyone if you know them, so please share it with them. Please hit the like button, like this video, comment below, share it, and for more videos like this, subscribe our channel Home Interiors. Do not forget to press the bell icon for getting the updates of latest videos. Now it's time to say goodbye. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, be happy. Please remember me in your precious prayers. Thank you so much. Goodbye everyone.